Sithokozani bogogo nomkhulisa kwasendoda lesiGogo Bathini Mbatha. Ngane zakwethu namhlanje sikhuluma ngeissue yephupho lapho uboniswa khona ama-vegetables and also ama-fruits. Ngane zakwethu umbuzo uthi wegogo ngine-sure ukuthi angikhulelwe kodwa ngiphupha iy'thelo, ngiphupha ama-vegetable, ngiphupha ama-fruits a-colorful amahle angathi anethwe imvula noma namanzi nje, ngabe kwenzakalani? Ngane zakwethu ukuphupha noma ukuboniswa ebusuku, uboniswa ama-vegetables noma uboniswa ama-fruits, it doesn't always mean ukuthi you are pregnant. But question is, Gogo, then what does it mean? It may mean opportunities that are yet to come. That is number one. Number two, it may mean ukuthi kuzoba nama opportunities azayo kodwa azoconfuse ngendlela ukuthi ngeke usakwazi ukubona ukuthi which is which. I said one, there are opportunities that are coming in general. Two, there are opportunities that are coming that might confuse you. Ukuthi ugcina ungasazi ukuthi lokhuzana which one to take. Kakhulukazi if ever in one dream it was vegetables and it was fruits. Then you'll get confused. Somebody once said to me, "We Gogo, ngiphuphe ama fruits, but within these fruits bekunotamatisi." Ngase ngiconfuseka manje ukuthi ngaphupha ama-fruits bese qhamuka utamatisi, ngabe chaza ukuthini? Utamatisi, it's a fruit. Anything ene seed ngaphakathi, it's a fruit. So it's very important that we do our research in terms of mawuphuphe ama-vegetables. Try to remember ukuthi which kind of vegetables did you dream of? Then you can come up with with an answer of saying it was strictly vegetables or there were fruits included on your dream. But let's say uphuphe ama-fruits and then kwaba khona iklabish ngaphakathi, kwaba khona amazambane ngaphakathi. Then those kinds of dreams means ukuthi there are opportunities that they are coming. But you need to be very careful ukuthi you want fruits or you want vegetables. Meaning you want growth in terms of experience or you want money. I wouldn't be able to tell ukuthi between vegetables and fruits which one is money, which one it's growth in terms of savings, because we don't change jobs because of we want more money. Sometimes you're changing a job because of you in a long distance marriage. Sometimes you change jobs because of there's no growth in this company. Yes, you're earning good salary, but you're not happy. You know, you want to get more than you are earning here. So you want to change umsebenzi. So then the third one, it might mean you're pregnant. That's the third one. The fourth one, in terms of pupa ama vegetables, still in the topic of ama vegetables and ama fruits. The fourth one, it might mean ukuthi you had opportunities, but monitor your dream. Upupa iy'thelo noma ama vegetables engathi ayasokola, engathi aya ngoguga, awagugile, or it's either aya ngoguga noma gugile or abolile. What does it mean, Gogo? It means ukuthi something is going to spoil the opportunities that you have got. Something is going to spoil whatever that made you happy. If you were pregnant or you are pregnant and you have such dreams of ama vegetables and then you feel ukuthi lama vegetables lawa engazathi aya ngokusokola, go and see your gynae. There might be something wrong with ingane yakho. Go see the gynae. Sometimes you're pregnant and you're not aware, and ingane ihlalanga endaweni right, that it means that. But guys, I don't know if you are aware. I'm very sensitive when it comes to talking about ama dreams in general, because you know, we're living in the times whereby there are people who think they know everything, and you'll interpret the dream the way you've done your research and the way you understand Pope. And somebody else will come and say, no, that dream doesn't mean that. And then somebody comes and say, yes, Gogo, bebengichazela into eyodwa kaningi. But as soon as I've listened to this angle of isibonakaliso, then I got a picture. So when it comes to dreams, guys, we don't interpret dreams the same way. So when it comes to vegetables, you must be careful. It means good. Vegetables and fresh vegetables and fruits, it's a good story. But you need to analyze what story are your dreams telling you. Are you going to come across great opportunities? Okay. Are you going to find yourself in a position whereby you are confused which is which? Remember, I've said what? Growth, money. Where do you want to grow? You earning well, but you're still a junior. You earning well, but you're still a junior. More you are complaining about jail, but you told me you're senior. Then sometimes you say, no, I want to get a new job that will pay me the same salary, but I'm a senior. Uguti ngumphathi in this department. It's totally different, guys. Ama fruits mayela ngokuthi athi, maybe you need to check. Maybe uvukela izitha within the workplace. So these are the dreams that I explain that are the same in terms of men or women. But the only difference, if you do fall pregnant, then it might say something further. But if it's not always about it means umithisile noma ukhulelwe wena ngokwakho. So guys, let's be careful. Send to Gogo Bathini Mbatha 082 833 4063 082 833 4063. Malucho.